All right, Piyush, getting in those details from the national capital where Amit Shah is campaigning in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar at this point in time. Piyush, it's a big fight for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi for 27 long years. It's not managed to win the assembly elections, though as far as the Lok Sabha elections are concerned, it manages to sweep Delhi. The city-state of Delhi wins all the 7 seats, but assembly elections have always been a very, very difficult task, a tall order rather, for the Saffron Party, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. It has been a tough ride for Saffron Party in the national capital. In the last 26 years, we have not seen BJP forming government in Delhi, and that is why we are seeing how BJP is putting all its might as far as this time campaign is concerned. We are seeing top leaders of BJP on the streets, various chief ministers, including Yogi Adityanath, Naib Singh Saini, Bhajan Sharma. They all are campaigning in Delhi. Around 40 rallies are being carried out in one day. That's how BJP is very much serious as far as this time is concerned. In the last 3 time elections, we have seen how BJP has faced massive defeat at the hands of Aam Aadmi Party, and Aam Aadmi Party has been landsliding elections in the last 2 terms, and that is why BJP wants to dethrone Arvind Kejriwal's led Aam Aadmi Party from Delhi. We are seeing how a lot of workers have gathered here. Even they are very much excited looking at Home Minister Amit Shah. So campaigning is now at its peak in Delhi as only few minutes are left. Amit Shah has now reached near a temple in Lajpat Nagar, and here we can see priests and other people are also welcoming. There are people standing on the terrace. They are showering flower petals on Home Minister Amit Shah. So we can see a lot of excitement among the workers here, and BJP is putting all its might to win elections this time. The campaign is right now in 5th gear, and a lot of activities are taking place. Tomorrow, Narendra Modi is also going to do a rally in Mahir Vihar area of Delhi, and after that, 2 more rallies of Narendra Modi are lined up. So we are seeing as to how the aggressive campaign is being carried out by Bharatiya Janata Party. Last time, BJP, which was hopeful of withdrawing Aam Aadmi Party from Delhi, was able to win only 8 seats. But this time, the Bharatiya Janata Party is fighting elections on various things, be it about the corruption allegations which those are being faced by Aam Aadmi Party leaders, or also about the promises which Arvind Kejriwal made and he could not fulfill. So the BJP is saying that not only the social welfare schemes of those that are existing in Delhi will continue, but at the same time the BJP will ensure that these schemes are properly implemented in Delhi. BJP has also announced that women of Delhi are going to get 2,500, and various other promises have been made by Bharatiya Janata Party. So on various fronts, BJP is now aggressively taking forward this campaign, and as we are speaking, we are getting live of Home Minister Amit Shah, who is right now taking part in campaign. People who are standing on terrace, they are welcoming Home Minister Amit Shah. They are showering flower petals at him. Basuri Swaraj along with the BJP candidates are standing there on that truck which has been decorated using different kinds of flowers. So campaign has now shifted in its 5th gear. Top leaders of BJP are right now in national capital. Various chief ministers, various big leaders of BJP, including Amit Shah, including Narendra Modi, Yogi Adityanath, they all are present here. कितने उत्साहित हैं आप?
बहुत उत्साहित है जी। अब एक झूठी सरकार को हटाना है और भाजपा को लाना है। हम तंग आ गए, दिल्ली को स्लम बना दिया, स्लम। सब झूठ पे झूठ बोलता रहता है। अब कह रहा है किराएदारों को उनको भी बिजली फ्री कर दूंगा।
अमित शाह जी से आप क्या कहेंगे?
अमित शाह जी आ जाए, एक नई ऊर्जा पैदा होगी हमारे पूरे क्षेत्र में, और हम कम से कम भी बहुत बड़ी लीड से विजयी हो रहे हैं इस सीट में।
See how the workers are also very much excited, and they are saying that after the road show of Amit Shah, there will be another kind of excitement among the workers, and the BJP is also of the view that it is very much confident of withdrawing Aam Aadmi Party government from national capital. You can also see the live visuals. Those are now coming your way from the Lajpat Nagar of Delhi, where Home Minister Amit Shah, Basuri Swaraj, and other leaders are there on the Rath, which has been specially designed campaign for this entire campaign, which is right now underway in Lajpat Nagar area of Delhi. Sneha.
All right, we'll continue to get you more on that big story that we are tracking very closely as far as the Delhi elections are concerned. The Delhi Dangal, they're heating up further. Amit Shah, the star campaign of the BJP, hitting the campaign trail today.